Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen edamame in the air fryer. Cooking edamame in the air fryer is very easy. I will take a package of frozen edamame, open it, and all I need to do is just dump the edamame into the air fryer basket. Straight from frozen, you don't need to defrost it, and you can season it any way you like. I'll just use simple salt. Now let's put edamame in the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 10 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the edamame to mix it. And put it back in the air fryer. Now the edamame is done cooking, so let's take a look. Perfectly cooked edamame straight from frozen. It is delicious and healthy too. Looks amazing. Let's try this delicious edamame. Just open the pod. And the edamame inside is perfect. Tastes so good. I love it. So super simple, 400 degrees for 10 minutes in the air fryer, and cooked straight from frozen. Doesn't get easier than that. For more easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.